In this regard, we need and we raise digital literacy across the board through the whole of society approach. Hence, through private-public partnerships under the My Digital initiative, Malaysia is investing at least 50 billion ringgit over the 5 years under various digital infrastructure projects. Meanwhile, the 21 billion ringgit National Digital Network, or JENDELA, plans are progressing smoothly and will provide greater last-mile 5G connectivity to remote areas soon enough. Plans to roll out the 5G connectivity across all high-density areas by 2023 is also going full steam ahead with the recent operationalization of the government-owned SPV Digital Nasional Berhad. All in all, I'm happy to report that all the high-impact touchstones under the My Digital initiative are being executed as we speak. But more needs to be done. And this is where the Microsoft of the world can and should step in. Ladies and gentlemen, on that note, I'm delighted to welcome Microsoft's long-term commitment to be with Malaysia or bersama Malaysia in empowering Malaysia's inclusive digital economy. Under the Bersama Malaysia initiative, which amounts to at least $1 billion or 4 billion Malaysian ringgit over the next 5 years, this plan will include, firstly, to establish its first data center region in Malaysia, effectively consisting multiple data centers to manage data from various countries. As I understand it, according to International Data Corporation, the ripple effects of the data center region investment today could translate into 6.9 billion USD or 28.3 billion ringgit Malaysia of revenue generated in the local cloud ecosystem. For every USD $1, it's 4.2 of Microsoft Malaysia's cloud revenue by 2024. And it is estimated that it will help create 19,000 jobs, including 4,000 IT-related jobs among its cloud users. Secondly, to leverage on big data, Malaysia requires a backbone of not only connectivity and data storage, but also skilled human capital with data science capabilities. And in this vein, I welcome the many public-private partnerships formed by Microsoft and its partners, for which we will be witnessing the MOU signing today. For starters, the partners include Malaysian Administrative Modernization and Management Planning Unit, MAMPU, the Human Resources Development Fund, HRDF, Petronas, Celcom, and GRAD. And being part of Bersama Malaysia initiative, I was also made to understand by Microsoft that these partnerships will help skill in various degrees up to 1 million Malaysian by the end of 2023. And I hope these successful partnerships can be a template to bridge the digital divide and empower each Malaysian through the technology adoption. And this is very much in line with digitalization being primed to play a key medium to long-term enabler role in the upcoming 12th Five-Year Malaysia Plan, RM ke-12, and Shared Prospective Vision, WKB 2030. While we are doubling down on our digital ambition, I would hasten to add that we fully intend to do so without compromising on sustainability. And pursuant to that, I'm heartened to see Microsoft's global commitment to shift to 100% supply of renewable energy by 2025 for all its data centers, including Malaysia. As we cement the Microsoft partnership today, I hope this is just the first green shoots of a broader meadow of investment in Malaysia for Microsoft and, of course, for the other data players. This significant investment for Microsoft further fortifies Malaysia's position as a potential regional data hub, and we stand ever ready to welcome more such partnership as we work with our stakeholders to continually improve Malaysia's value proposition in this big data space.